As the pandemic continues, a local nurse is getting creative to prevent her coworkers from burnout. Good evening, everyone. I'm Karen Scullin. Grace Brooks works at Children's Hospital, where there are more and more young patients, but less staff to take care of them. Fox 9's Mary McGuire spoke to her about how, with the help of the community, she is taking the extra step to lift the spirits of her coworkers during a difficult time.
It's just been nonstop.
For more than a year and a half, hospital workers have had to do their jobs under the constant pressure of COVID-19.
It definitely wears on us. We definitely are working hard, definitely taking on more patients than we have in the past.
But Children's Minnesota Pediatric ICU nurse Grace Brooks says the last 3 months have been more draining than the peak of the pandemic.
We've seen a lot of RSV cases, which is a really bad cold in little infants, and usually that doesn't show up until like this time of year. And we started seeing cases in July.
And it's not just physical illnesses that they're treating.
A lot of kids, since they've been back to school, are suffering from mental health crises as well.
Combine all of that with healthcare staffing shortages seen across the country, and you have the perfect recipe for burnout. As the wellness liaison for her unit, Grace knew she had to do something special for her coworkers.
I was just looking for something outside of the Be Well program, outside of the emails that I send.
She turned to Nextdoor, writing a post asking the community for donations for her fellow nurses to bring them a little happiness and encouragement.
Water bottles, a bunch of gift cards.
The response has been overwhelming.
Thank you for being that caring hand and comforting smile for those who need it most.
Dozens of letters, gift cards, artwork, even a few picnic baskets poured in. So much stuff that the hospital is now overseeing the donations.
This image from Cape Cod, nice relaxing scenery.
Grace says even the smallest gift can have a big impact when you're working under stressful conditions every day, and hopes the momentum she started carries on.
People are super creative, things that I would have never thought that could have helped us out, they thought of.
Now Grace tells me she doesn't really have specific items in mind that she wants people to donate, really anything that you think would spark joy for these nurses. If you'd like to help out, we have more information up on our website. Reporting in Minneapolis, Mary McGuire, Fox 9.